Happy Halloween, you guys.
Halloween.
How y'all doing? So, I'm a fox. And we're going to show y'all this nice lighting that we are in right now.
Oh, wait. Halloween. Hold up. Halloween. You can't take a bath in peace.
This is the nice mirror.
You have to take a
And
shower.
this is the pretty shower. And this is the towel part.
Fresh sink. Oh, I don't want to water. Got the soap, you feel me? Yeah. Got the light.
Yeah.
We got the content coming today. We got the ring light.
I like the ears.
Mommy gonna be on the second floor though. That's what's...
Yeah, we're going to be separated, you guys. That's the only down part. But it's okay. Because we like right across from each other. So it's going to be good. I'm not sure.
You should say
But yeah,
guest, right?
we will be back when we settle in, and you know, we're gonna set you guys up. And our ring light came. I told y'all we was coming with another ring light / tripod. I told y'all. But yeah, we gonna be back in a few. We're gonna set y'all up and it looks so pretty over there. She look like a phoenix about to come out though.
Get the Phoenix Suns.
Sky view, you know. There's some helicopter races going on, but I ain't gonna show y'all that. Hey, Jaden.
Okay, y'all.
It's nice today, finally. It was brick these past few days. Yeah.
The next day.
So guys, we was just casually walking, and then we seen, I don't want to say the wrong name, but they look like ducks. They look so peaceful in their own little world.
I call those cockatoos.
They look cute.
And that looks super cool.
Right.
You don't like the sea, you like the
We
tropics.
feeding the bird. He keep going under here. Oh. He like I had my time. Oh. He like, I'm gonna spin back. I'm gonna spin the block. We feeding the birds. He is pretty. Look at him. Look at him.
Be by you. Scaring them. Damn scarecrow. Yo, they be bullying my son because he black and dirty.
Yeah.
I hate that. Don't be bullying my... Look, he bullying him.
Oh, it was fighting y'all.
He's bullying him, bro. Because he black and dirty. Yo, give him some food before I pop on you, bro. He weaker than him. You keep that? Yo, leave him alone, bro. Yo, they really about to fight him, bro.
Even be lonely.
Yo, leave him alone.
They just be mad when the other one get it.
Leave him alone, bro. Leave him alone.
I love him.
Oh, he bugging. It's him.
This one.
It's him.
That's my pet. They like this one.
Yo, y'all jump that
They
nigga.
like this one.
If he play with you, jump him.
He being a bad influence.
Yo, jump that nigga. Don't let him
Jump him.
Dumb shit. You feel me?
Look at the sequel over there, man.
Watch out, man. Watch out.
I just want to see. I told you feed him.